Ram, can you see me and hear me? Yes, Aram, can you hear me and see me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aram.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
मेरा नाम आ रहा है ऊपर दिख रहा है इसे वो करने का क्या तो नहीं पिलाया ना पहले
Children, today there is a lot of problem with Google Meet. Everybody is facing this problem. Yes, we were not able to have our class in the morning properly. Just now, we will just have a short class of half an hour. We'll discuss our test. You all have done your test and sent me. That's very good. I'm just waiting to see some more children joining in. You all have downloaded the Zoom app. That's very good. Quickly you did it. Ronek, don't play with your copy. What happened? Can you hear me?
Yes,
All of you can hear me? Okay, that's nice. All right, this morning's test that I gave you, you all have done it and sent it to me. The picture question that was there, children, you can hear me? Give me a thumbs up. All right, the picture question that was there, you had to write the spellings. You had to count and write the spellings. Did you write the spellings, all of you? The first picture, there were trees. In the first picture, there were trees. Okay, look at this. All of you can see this. Aram, how many trees are there in the picture?
3.
3, that's right. Okay, Ria, how many leaves are there in the second picture? Count the number of leaves and tell me.
4.
4, that's right.
4.
Okay, Ria, thank you. Hassan? Hassan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Hassan, count the number of insects that are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ma'am.
6 insects. Okay, yes.
आपकी बात नहीं आ रही थी अब आ रही है
All right, Ronik. Ronik, this is the first time we are using Zoom, so there will be some problem. Okay, we have to adjust. Let's hope and pray that Google Meet problem is solved soon so that Monday we can have our classes on Google Meet only. All right, now Ronik, since you are there, count the number of sheep that are there. Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5.
All right, 5 sheep, that's right.
One, two, three,
Yes, Shivansh?
4, 5, 6, 7. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, my question answer to now.
Ronik, just a second. Shivansh has not been able to download Zoom. Shivansh, I am in the class. All right, Vinayak. Vinayak, can you hear me? Yes, Vinayak. Count the number of clouds.
8 clouds.
Okay, 8 clouds. So you did it well, right? All right, let's see who else is here in the meeting. Visual. Visual, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Visual. How many stars were there in the picture? Did you count?
9, ma'am.
9 stars. Very good. So you've done your test nicely, children. Okay, let me ask you the questions that I gave you. Let's see how many of you did the questions. Arav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arav. The first question. What does Sukanya pick up? What does Sukanya pick up?
Sukanya picked up a laddu.
Sukanya picks up a laddu. All right, very good. Okay. Next, who has joined from Piker? Who has joined from Piker? Can you give me your name, child?
Yes.
Arav, you have joined from Piker? No, you
ma'am.
haven't. You joined with your own name, child. All right. The other children also need to join. All right, this is Sakina. Right, Sakina. So let's hear the next answer from you. What does Sukanya buy? Sakina, can you hear me? What does Sukanya buy? The second question, did you write the answer, Sakina? All right, Visual, you answer.
Sukanya buys a kilo of pedas.
Okay, Sukanya buys a kilo of peras. Right, that's right. There are some other children joining in. Let's have everybody here. All right. Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanvi. So you don't have the books just now, Sani. Did you manage to go through the question and answers? No. You don't have the books just now, right? Okay, fine. All right, then you answer the simple question. Arrange these words in the ABC order. You have to arrange the words in the ABC order, right? Cherry, banana, date, apple. ABC order. ABCD आपको आती है, उसी order में आपको देखना है कौन सा word पहले आएगा. Cherry, banana, date, apple. Which word will come first? Apple. Okay. Next will be
banana.
banana. That's right. Then C, cherry. D, date. Right? So these are the words that were given to you.
चुप रहोगे?
Children, please keep yourselves muted. All right. Who has joined from the ID? Ritesh Agarwal.
Ma'am, my name is Adhiraj Agarwal.
Okay, this is Adhiraj. Adhiraj has joined from Ritesh Agarwal. Okay, Adhiraj. Did you manage to get your books, Adhiraj? Not yet.
Ma'am, English book is not was not available.
Okay, right. All right, children. The difficult words, I'm going to just ask you some of the difficult words, spellings from this lesson. We have already done the spellings. Right, let's see how many of you have learned of the spellings. Adhiraj, I had sent the work. Did you learn of the spellings, child? Did you learn of the spellings? Adhiraj, spell little. Adhiraj, spell little. Spell little, Adhiraj.
Little.
All right, very good. Little, little. Right. Wali, spell leaves. Wali, spell leaves. Wali, you're there in the meeting. You can hear me. Wali, can you hear me? All right, I think Wali cannot hear me. All right, Sanvi, can you spell count? Sanvi, can you spell count? Did you learn of the spellings? Spellings जो मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए बार बार बेटे. हमने आपको स्पेलिंग सारा वर्क जो सेंड करा था उसमें स्पेलिंग सेंड करी थी वो आपने लर्न करी थी. स्पेल काउंट काउंट की स्पेलिंग बताइए. Okay, look at me, don't look at mommy. All right, good. COUNT count, right. Wali, spell everything. Spell the word everything.
ING.
Very good. Okay. Arab, spell figures. Arab, spell figures. Arab, can you hear me? Spell the word figures.
S
F-I.
I
Yes.
Figures.
F-I-G-U-R-E-S, figures. You'll have to learn up the spellings, children. You.
Figures.
Okay. Visual, spell about.
ABOUT about. ABOUT about.
ABOUT about. Okay, good, fine. All right, let's see who all are here. Ria, spell the word bugs. Bugs.
B-U-G.
B-U-G-S. Bugs. Okay, good. Arham, spell the word leaves.
L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaf.
Okay, good. Vinayak, spell the word sheep. Sheep. Vinayak,
S-H-E-E-P. Sheep.
S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Very good. Ronek,
Yes, ma'am.
spell the word silver leaf.
I-V.
Silver leaf. S-I-L.
S-I-L-E.
S-I-L-V-E-R.
S-I-L-V-E-R.
L-E-A-F, leaf. Now children, Zoom application में प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर आप स्क्रीन पर टच करते रहेंगे तो बार बार आप ही स्क्रीन पर देखेंगे. Wali, stop touching the screen. Stop touching the phone. All right, Ronik. Thank you. Ria.
Yes, ma'am.
Hardik. Okay, Hardik is here. Hardik. Ria, you can mute. Hardik. Spell the word cows. Hardik, spell cows. Hardik, you can hear me? Spell the word cows. Hardik, I'm waiting for your answer, child. Spell the word cows. Hardik, you can hear me? Omansh, spell the word cows.
C-O-W-S.
Okay, good. Hassan, spell the word shopkeeper. Hassan, spell the word shopkeeper.
S-H-O-P.
Shop and then keeper.
A-W-E-P-E-R.
Okay, good. Shopkeeper. Adiraj, spell the word busy. Your mic is off, Adiraj. Yes.
B-I-S-E.
B-U. Look at ma'am, don't look at mummy. B-U-S-Y, busy. Say.
B-U-S-Y, busy.
Okay. Now
Okay,
you have to learn up the spellings. Okay, Adiraj. Sanvi, spell the word.
ma'am.
All right. Spell the word laddus.
L-A-D-D-O. L-A-D-D-O.
Okay. S, laddus. All right.
Two.
Okay. Ronek, spell the word shop.
S-H-O-P, shop.
Okay, good. Arav, spell the word sweet.
SWEEL. नहीं, T, sweet.
T, yes, that's right, sweet. Ria, spell the word Sukanya.
SUKANYA.
All right, good. Omansh, spell the word pix.
PICK.
P-I-C-K-S, pix. Okay, good. Children, some of you have started, some of the children, they are posting messages in the group and they are not attending class. All right, Wali. Wali.
Yes.
Yes, Wali. Spell.
STE.
Spell the word. Let me say the word, Wali. Give me the spelling of the word about.
ABOUT.
A-B-O-U-T, about. Okay, fine. Visual. Spell the word ground. Visual.
Ground.
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 G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Okay. So children, that's very nice. You have learned up your spellings. And I'm going to check your test and send it back to you. Today is Saturday. Visual. That's not the right thing to do, child.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. So children, today there was a lot of problem with Google Meet. We were not able to take our classes on Google Meet. So we had to come down to Zoom just now. But still there are many children who have not been able to download Zoom and they have not been able to join the meeting. Right? And Zoom, let me tell you children, Zoom में application में एक problem ये है, अगर आप screen पर बार बार touch करेंगे तो आपका वीडियो, आपका नाम बार बार screen पर flash होता रहता है. एक बार join करने के बाद Zoom app को you don't have to touch it. This is Hayat who's joined in. Yes, Hayat. All right. Yes, Hayat. Hayat, we were just revising. Yes, Hardik. Hardik, are you saying something? Yes, unmute yourself. Yes, Hardik, what are you saying? Hardik, you're saying something, but I can't hear you. Hayat, sit straight. You know, children, in Google Meet, I can see all the children together in their own frames. But in Zoom app, one child at a time can be seen on the frame. The other children are there on top and only one child is there in the center in Zoom app. Hayat, we were revising the spellings. We were revising the spellings and the test paper. So now I'm going to ask you some questions from the test paper. Right? Let me see. Answer the questions. Say yes or no. The shopkeeper is happy with Sukanya. Yes or no? The shopkeeper is happy with Sukanya. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Sukanya returns the laddu to the shopkeeper. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. She returns the laddu to the shopkeeper. Okay, now Kriday. Kriday, can you hear me, child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kriday, can you tell me the story of the lesson taking a laddu? What is the story about? What is the name of the girl in the story? Don't look at money. You think and tell me. The name of the girl is Sukanya. Okay. Right. And where does Sukanya go one day?
Sukanya go to a sweet shop one day.
Okay, Sukanya goes to a sweet shop one day. Right. All right. Thank you. Adhiraj? Adhiraj, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Adhiraj. The story is about Sukanya. There was one girl, Sanvi, Sukanya, Vinayak. All of you listen carefully. Once again, I'm telling you the story. The story is about a little girl. Her name was Sukanya. One day she goes to a sweet shop to buy some peras. She goes to buy a kilo of peras, right? And then over there at the sweet shop, she gets fascinated when she sees a tray of laddus. And she gets tempted to pick up one laddu from the tray. She takes that laddu and comes back home. When her mother sees, her mother asks her, what have you done? And then she's very scared, but she tells her mother everything. Then the mother tells Sukanya, this is a wrong thing what you have done. You should not pick up anything from anywhere without asking anyone. Otherwise, it is called stealing. So Sukanya, she understands what her mother says. Then she goes back to the shop and she returns the laddu to the shopkeeper and she says sorry. Right? When she says sorry to the shopkeeper understands that Sukanya is a very good girl. And then as a gift, he gives Sukanya one whole box of laddus. He gives her one whole box of laddus.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Yes, children, I think there is some problem. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me? All right. Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so Sukanya, she goes and returns the laddu to the shopkeeper and says sorry. Then the shopkeeper gets very happy and he gives her a box of laddus. Right, so that is the story. Now, Sanvi, Adhiraj, Vinayak, you heard the story. So you'll be able to understand the lesson better. Now with that, we come to the end of today's class, children. Thank you for cooperating with me. You can say thank you to your parents for downloading the Zoom app quickly and joining in the class. Right? Thank you so much, children. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
इनडिसिप्लिन होता है ना।
Bye, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.